Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic of linkers. As we all know, linker is the most important system software in the program development flow. To start with this, we have a process called as linking. So linking is a process of combining the different object modules translated by the language translators and resolving these various external references associated with these object modules. So in general, when we talk about the linking process, it contains the internal references to the externally defined symbols, internally defined symbols that can be used externally, that is a public definition. So public definition is what? It's a symbol or a variable definition or defined in a program as a public, and it can be referenced in the other program units. On the other way, the external reference is what? It's an symbol or a variable that is not defined in the program, but it is referenced in the program unit. So there are basically two statements involved in the linking process. One is the entry statement and other one is the extern statement. The entry statement is used to specify a public definition of the program unit. That is, it lists those symbols that are defined in the program unit and referenced in the other program, while the extern statement lists out the symbols to which the external references are made in the program unit. So it is necessary that before any program can be executed, the external reference should be bound to correct the proper link time address. So linking is a process of binding the external references to the correct link time address. Now we talk about the object module. The object module of the program contains all the information necessary to relocate and link the program with the other programs. The object module has four components: the header, program, relocation tab, and the linking tab. The header contains the translated origin, that is the origin from where the translation has to be performed, the size of the program, and the execution start address of the program. The second component is a program, that is the main component which corresponds or contains the machine language program. The third is relocation tab. It is responsible for describing the various instructions that requires the relocation. It has only a single field, single column that is of the translated address. For example, you can see this diagram. It is only a single column that is having the translated address. Fourth is the linking tab, that is the link tab. This table contains the information about the public definition and the external references. So it has the three fields: the symbols, contains the symbolic name, the type, that is it is a public definition or the external reference, and third one is a translated address for the public definition. You can see this diagram having the three columns of symbol, type, and the translated address. Now, when a program is modified during the linking process, we have three categories: non-relocatable programs, relocatable programs, and self-relocating programs. When we talk about the non-relocatable programs, these are the programs which can execute only in the memory location starting on its translated order. It can't be executed in any other memory area. These are non-relocatable because of the address sensitivity of the program, that as they have the lack of information about the address of sensitive instructions. We can have the example of this is the hand-coded machine language program. The second category is relocatable programs. As the name symbols, it is a program that can be executed in any memory area. The relocation is possible because of the availability of information about the address sensitive instructions. And we can have the example of relocatable as object module. The third category is self-relocating, that is the program which can relocate themselves. They can perform the relocation, self-relocation because of the own address sensitive instructions. This self-relocation is possible because of a table of information, and second is the relocating logic, that is the code to perform the relocation of address sensitive instruction as a part of the program. Remind, self-relocating program can execute in any area of the memory. So this is all about the basics of linkers. Thank you very much.